Hattie Paper Army. Now, I'm hoping that I've got this camera figured out so I can work on this. Now, I have gone from using tissue paper, which you can see right here, to I'm using paper bag material now. Now, there's a way to wrap this together to make this exceedingly strong, even though you have seams, because the only thing holding this, that's a little teeny tiny pin that I put in there just to start wrapping everything around. And so now I have to make this solid enough so that it can actually function without coming loose. So I went around this way first time. Now I'm going to go around the other direction. Yeah, get rid of that. Because this is going to add more strength. Okay, so now we got this right here is where we're going with this. Come here, you. There we go. Nope, that's too low. Okay, so I wanted to fix that a little bit, so we just trim that there. Because what has to be is it has to be matched up with this edge here. Okay, so now that works. Okay, so we want to start the gluing process here. Yeah. Anyway. Okay. And you don't want to get this on the wrong side of what you're doing. Come here, you. Get in there. Thank you very much. There we go. Oh, doggone it. Well, every once in a while, even I mess up. I pulled that too hard, and it came loose. Can't do it again. All right, that's that. You can get a forgiveness one time with this paper like that. Next time, nope. Dental tools, I tell you what, I didn't know how handy they were until Jackie got me these. All right, now what we're gonna do, okay, now this comes up here. So now this is what I need to do. I need to cut that right there. Okay, and this is going to come in here like so, and this is where these dental tools come in darn handy. So they can flatten that stuff all out the way you want it. And that goes on there just like that. Now you see what I'm doing here is I am continuing to build this up. And now I want to cut it this way. Alrighty. And I sure hope that the camera angle on this is good. Let me see here. Oh, barely. Okay, you guys, I'm sorry if I got off camera. I'm going to get better with this. It just takes some practice. Anyway, this is what I am doing. I am building this up so that it is going to be strong enough when I build this into a turret that this turret will actually click the thing on and off. Now, I think what I have to do is I have to build a base on here. One that will be glued solid to this, but will be a circle like about this big, so that it will spin like this. That's the base of the turret, okay? So that means this section down here, this base of this turret is gonna be good. I have to have a part up here on the top of the turret that is going to hold it all together so that this doesn't move back and forth like this. Anyway, it's all part of the design process. And I hope y'all are gonna start enjoying these, because I haven't done this before. I am learning. But I'm at 100,000 followers now. Well, 99,000. And I need to step up my game. Now, something I might do, I don't know what I might do. Anyway, that's another technological point. Salute, Paper Army.